Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can remove any approval rule. So first of all, you need to go in approval module. On your left hand side, you will see approval module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in approval module, on your right hand side, you will see rules option. Please click on this. So in order to move any approval or remove any approval, you need to select one of the approval rule which you have already set, or you can select multiple as well. So as you can see here that in this particular segment, my approval rules are defined and I have selected two of the approvals. Now on your right hand side in very top, you will see option of remove. Once I will click on remove, this particular approval rule have been removed. Now you can go ahead and set a new approval rule in order to create a new approval. We don't have approval rule edit feature. So in order to apply a new rule, you need to remove the previous rule and then after add a new rule from this add new rule option. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while removing approval rule. Have a good day ahead.